Hey everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to remove or delete a credit card or a debit card from your Amazon account. If you no longer use a certain credit card, you got a new one, or you just want to update your payment methods, removing old credit card details from Amazon helps keep your account secure and just more organized. This video is going to be very useful for any Amazon user who wants to update their payment methods or remove an old credit card from their account. This video is going to be short, it's going to be simple, and it's going to be straight to the point. So make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to remove a credit or a debit card from your Amazon account. So the first order of business is going to be to locate the Amazon account. So you can do that by scrolling through all of your apps and finding it, or you could just scroll down, type in Amazon, and it should pop right up. So once Amazon has been loaded up, you want to point your attention to the bottom. You should see a little profile emoji, a little human emoji. Click on that. Now, you're going to want to scroll down until you see a button that says Your Payments. Now, once you see that button under the Your Account section, click on it. Now, once this loads, you will see all of the cards that are connected to your account. So in order to remove one, you just say, click on this one, hit the edit button, scroll down and remove it from the wallet. And that really is all there is to it. Now, say you want to just add a card, right? So you go down to the same thing. You go down to Your Payments. You go down and you just hit this add cards and accounts. And that's all there is to it. That's how to remove and add a card to your Amazon account. So now with the tutorial out of the way, here's some important tips to consider in the future. Tip number one is if the card is set as your default payment method, you must change the default payment method before deleting it. The second tip I have for you is to make sure there are no pending orders tied to the card, or you may run into some payment issues. My third and final tip for the video is that Amazon may require you to verify your identity when making changes to your payment methods, so just keep that in mind. With the tutorial and tips out of the way, that's really all I have for you today for this video. If you did find this video helpful, please be sure to drop a like, and also be sure to share this video with a family member, a friend, or really anybody you think will gain some knowledge from this video. But most importantly of all, be sure to hit that subscribe button, join the channel for more future tutorials, and yeah, that's all I have for you. Hope you have a great day, and peace out.